7. Today we will be doing chapter 9, lines and angles. Important topics. I will explain some questions from the chapters. Then we will be learning about complementary and supplementary angle with the help of questions from our chapter. And the most important is different types of angles. Now children, I will start with explaining about different types of angles. I will take one question number 2 of 9.1. You can see it is named the linear pair and the pairs of vertically opposite angles in the adjoining figure. I will explain you corresponding angle also here, and I will also explain you alternate interior and alternate exterior, which you have learned in smaller classes in class 5, 6. Now in this we have two parallel lines AB and CD. These are the two parallel lines. It has been intersected by a transversal called EF. So the line that goes from vertically from top to down, okay, is a transversal, and that line to A and B which goes from left to right are parallel lines. So wherever they intersect, they are called transversal, and we have angles. Now let me first find out linear pair. What are linear pair? Two angles when they make 180 degree. The angles 1 and 2, or it can be angle 1 and 3. So we have linear pair like 1 and 2. Then we can go 2 and 4. Then we can go 4 and 3. Then we can go like this, angle 3 and angle 1. All these are linear pair. They make 180. Similarly here at the point X, we have angle 5 and 6 linear pair, 6 and 8 linear pair, 8 and 7 linear pair, 7 and 5 linear pair. Now vertically opposite angles, like where there is a intersection, like point O. The two angle opposite to each other, like angle 1 and angle 4 are vertically opposite. Angle 3 and angle 2 are vertically opposite. Now at point X, where these two lines intersect, angle 5 and angle 8 are vertically opposite, angle 6 and angle 7 are vertically opposite, they are equal. Now for the corresponding angle, what is said when a line intersects two parallel lines, the angles on the same side, like for example right side, angle 1 and angle 5 on the right side and in the same direction, upward direction, are called corresponding angle. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 7 on the right side facing downward are called corresponding angles. On the left side of the transversal, angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angle facing upward, angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angle facing downward. Now about the alternate interior. Within the two parallel lines AB and CD, angle 4 and angle 5 are called alternate interior. Angle 3 and angle 6 are called alternate interior. Now about alternate exterior, with the help of this line, angle 2 on the left side and angle 7 on the right side are called alternate exterior. They are outside on the extreme corners opposite. Angle 1 and angle 8 are called alternate exterior. Remember, angle 3 plus angle 5 when added becomes 180. They are called sum of the interior angles 180, or co-interior angles are 180. Angle 4 and angle 6 are 180, or co-interior is equal to 180. Now I have taken one question from your exercise 9.1 explaining to find out the value of x. In the given figure, we say we have a straight line BOC and two rays meet at point O. They are OA and OD, forming an angle AOB, AOD, DOC. Now we have to find the value of x. To find out the value of x, we should know that BOC is a straight line. It is called 180 degree, also known as straight line or straight angle. Now let us do the solution. AOB plus AOD plus COD is equal to 180. That is AOB plus AOD plus COD is equal to 180, straight line. AOD 75 given here. AOD is x, COD 70 is equal to 180. When you add these two, it is 145 plus x is equal to 180. Take 145 to the right side, it becomes minus 145 on transposition. 180 minus 145, x value is 35. So the value of x in this figure is 35 degree. That is AOD is 35 degree. I will take one more. When we have a straight line, once again AOC for example, and there is a ray OB which intersect it into two angles or bisect into two angles. This is called linear pair. When a straight line is divided into two angles with the help of a ray, the angles are total the 180 and are known as linear pair. So in this case, what do we have? We have AOB plus COB is equal to 180. AOB this angle and COB this angle together equal to 180 known as linear pair. AOB is 2x plus 10 within bracket plus COB is 3x is equal to 180. We'll open the bracket. 2x plus 10 degree plus 3x degree is equal to 180. Now let's add x and x like terms. 2x degree plus 3x degree, 5x degree. This 10 will be transposed to the other side, right hand side. It will become minus 10. 5x is equal to 180 minus 10 is 170. We will find out the value of x. Keep the x on the left side. Divide 170 by 5. 534 is 170. Hence, the value of x is 34 degree. Okay children, now I will explain you about the complementary and supplementary angles. We all know, we have studied in class 2 or 3 onwards. Supplementary angles means when two angles total is 180. Complementary angle means when two angles sum is 90. Let me take one example of supplementary and one of complementary. Suppose it is said in one of the question here, it is said that find the supplement of 135 degree. So what do you know? That two angles when added, like one of the angle be x, another angle is 135 given, is equal to 180 because it is equal to 180 degree known as supplementary. So x plus 135 is equal to 180. We want to find out the value of x. So we'll keep x on the left hand side and 135 will be transposed to the right hand side. Plus 135 becomes minus 135. X is equal to 180 minus 135, 45 degree. Hence, the supplementary angle of 135 is 45 degree because 135 plus 45 is equal to 180. Now next question, question number 4 of 9.1. Find the complement of each of the following. I will take one of them as 50 degree and find its complement. We know two angles total should be 90. So let one of the angle be x, the other angle is already given 55 degree. So x plus 55 is equal to 90 degree, the total of complementary angle. To find out the value of x, we'll transpose 55 to the right hand side. 90 minus 55 plus on transposition becomes minus. So 90 minus 45, 55 is 45. Therefore, x value is 45, or we can say the complementary of 55 degree is 45 degree. Okay children, one more question I take from 9.1. Find the values of x, y, z in each of the following figure. I will take one of the figure. You can see there are two figures. I will take one of them. This is the first figure in which we have a straight line, okay, where intersected by another line, and a ray intersects this line into two angles, okay, 75 and x, and another angle is already here 40 degree. So in a straight line, upper part of the line we have 75 degree, x degree and 40 degree, and in the bottom part we have z and y degree. Okay, we have to find the value of x, y and z. Now the most easiest thing is to find the value of z, because when this line and this line intersects at this point, they form vertically opposite angle. Therefore z is equal to 40 degree. Why? Because this line and this line intersect at this point, so therefore they are equal to 40 degree. Z is equal to 40 degree, vertically opposite to each other. Now we have got the value of z also. To find out the value of x, it's very easy. What do you do? We suppose we say that this is a straight line. We have angle 75 degree, x degree plus 40 degree equal to 180. 75 degree plus x degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180, because this being a straight line. 80. Add these two, it is 75 plus 40 is 115 degree plus x degree equal to 180. 115 will be transposed to the right hand side. It will become minus 115 degree. So x is equal to 180 minus 115. X is equal to 180 minus 115, 65 degree. Therefore the value of x also is found as 65. To find out the value of y, we can do it by taking z plus y or plus 40 plus y. I have taken this way. This being a linear pair, 40 plus y is equal to 180. Okay, linear pair. So y will keep on the left hand side, 40 will be transferred to the other side, and 180 minus 40 is equal to y is equal to 40 degree. Hence we have found the value of x, y and z. Children, now homework. Find out supplementary angle and vertically opposite angle from the figure. Here we have two lines AC and BD intersecting at O, and it is being AOC is being intersected by one ray OE. We have angle COD as angle 1, DOE angle 2, EOA angle 3, and AOB angle 4, BOC angle 5.